I guess I lost them. I need to find some food and water. I'm surviving anywhere. Dad? Why are you and Percy letting me? Because we're just carrying you out. I don't know why you carrying out, you two. I don't know why, Marty. Oh, I want to start some wheels right now. I don't know you could do that or not, Marty. Oh, I just want to do a wheelie right now. I don't know you could do that. Oh, I guess you're right. Marty. Marty! What? You got your tires stuck on my buffers? And my buffers? And I'm still stuck? Oh, geez, Dad. I don't know if we'll be stuck here forever. To find gaming. And look at all those tire marks on you. And you're all muddy and everything. And how could we get unstuck? How? Well, you can go to the Steamworks and get ourselves unstuck. Man, I don't know, we can't be stuck here forever. I don't know what you do and how did you do it, but your wheel got stuck on our buffers. I'm sorry. I was trying to do some wheel maneuvers. You should have had carried me. Oh, I guess you're right. Alright, Marty, we're going to the Steamworks and you're getting your wheels unstuck on us. I don't know how you could do that. Well, yeah, Marty got a point. We should go to the Steamworks and get ourselves unstuck. Alright, Marty, we're going straight to the Steamworks and you're not going anywhere. You got that? Alright. And don't ask any more questions, okay? Okay, Dad. Ow! My wheels! Sorry, Marty. It's the only way to get to the Steamworks. I know, but you're hurting my wheels! My freaking wheels! Look, I'm sorry, okay? Just keep going, okay? Alright. Oh my gosh, my wheels are hurting really bad. You should have done that. Sorry. Keep going. Oh, ha, ha. My stretchy wheels. Keep going, Marty. Keep going.